Let's have a look at the tape measure tool. What I will do here, I will click on my tool bar here and we will find the tape measure tool. So this will bring up this tape measure looking item and I can go in and start measuring a distance. So let's say if I want to figure out how wide my countertop here is or how wide my cabinets are, I can click on the corner of the object. So if you hover over the object, you will see it snap to the specific corners. I'll just left click here. And then once I have left click, you will see this line come up, which is your measurement line. And I can now start dragging it towards where I want to measure. And let's say I want to measure this end here, so I can understand how wide this cabinet is. There we go. You will see this cabinet is 5 foot and 2 inches wide. You can left click again to end the measurement and you will see the measurement line stay. But once you then go in and measure the next part, it will disappear. So let's say if we want to measure how wide this bench seat is here, we can click on the left corner, measure it, and we can understand, okay, this bench seat is 5 foot 8 long. So that's how to use the tape measure tool. What I would recommend, the tape measure tool is useful, but I actually end up using the dimension move tool more. So I would end up placing objects just by putting them in roughly like that, and then I would place them using the dimensions and like nudging them into the right position, and I can actually understand what the distance between different objects is. So in this case here, if I want to understand how wide this hallway is, rather than going in and using my tape measure like this and roughly understanding, okay, this is 2 foot 2 in this case, what's actually quicker is to just click on the cabinet and then using the dimensions that pop up that then show me as well my hallway is 2 foot 2 wide.